Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a whimsical card using products from the Friends of the Ocean suite. We have the Designer Series paper here, the Ocean Friends bundles, that's the stamp set and the dies. And we're also going to be using the Around It All dies, but included in this suite of products is the Soft Waves 3D embossing folder, okay? So these are some of the products we're going to be using. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our Hello Spring Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit is going to make 9 cards, and Petunia Pop is the stamping spot. It coordinates with the Grow With Love bundle. We have the Spring is in the Air add-on dies for $12 that coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. And there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Speaking of freebies, we have Celebration going on. Celebration is a time when you can earn free product when you make a qualifying purchase. Also during Celebration, we have a join special. When you purchase the starter kit, it's $99 plus tax, and you get to choose $125 worth of product. During Celebration, we have bonus options. So option 1, you get an exclusive stamp set and 2 packs of Stampin' Right markers in the color families of your choice. If you don't want option 1, we have option 2, where you get to add an additional $30 of free product to your starter kit. Okay, that's $99 plus tax. Shipping will be free. Just let me know if you would like any more information about joining Stampin' Up! Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Product. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. However, during Celebration, I do have a promotion going on. When you spend $100 in product using my current host code, I'm going to send you one of these boxes for free. If your order is $150 or more, do not use the host code, and you'll still get this box for free because, again, you will be getting Stampin' Rewards if your order is $150 or more, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started on this card. I did a lot of stuff ahead of time. So I used the Around It All dies, and I use number 3 from the middle, number 5, and number 8 to die cut these 3 pieces of Designer Series paper here. I also went ahead and embossed our not pool party. This is Coastal Cabana. That is 5 1/4 by 4, and I did some stamping and die embossing. Woo, goodness! So again, 5 1/4 by 4 for this piece. And we have our inside basic white. This is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and we're going to do some stamping on this. And I have some Designer Series paper here. This is a 1/2 inch, and we're going to cut this down to 3 1/2. So it's going to be 1/2 inches by 3 1/2. Then I have a piece of lemon lime twist that is 1/4 inch, and we're going to also have this to be 3 1/2, and that's going to go on the inside just like that. And then we're going to layer that all on some Coastal Cabana that is 5 by 3 3/4. Okay. And then we have one more piece of lemon lime twist, and this is 3 inches by 5/8 inches, and I gone ahead and cut some angles on the ends. I just took my scissors and angled it. Okay, and so let's go ahead and do a little bit of stamping here. So we're going to stamp our sentiment on our lemon lime twist piece, and we're going to do that in Melon Mambo. And our sentiment says, "Hello, friend." And we just want to get this centered onto our cardstock, just like that. Isn't that cute? Okay, we'll set that to the side. I think that we might be using this Melon Mambo one more time. Let me get some scrap paper here, and we're going to do some stamping on this. And I have some lemon lime twist, and I'm going to use it to, we want to leave room for our designer series paper here in our little strips. So let's do, ooh, I don't want to put lemon lime twist right against that lemon lime twist. So we're going to do that one there. And I'm going to get this ink off. I'm going to go into the Melon Mambo. And I'm going to put one right there. Okay. And I think that's all we need these colors for. Then I have some Coastal Cabana. And we're going to stamp a little coral right here, just like that. And that is the inside of the card done with the stamping. Okay, so let's go ahead and start building this card up. So let's do our inside. We're going to add some glue here to put on our designer series paper and our strip of cardstock. Thought I put enough glue to add that strip, but I guess I didn't. That's okay. I'm gonna put that right there. Just like that. Scooch it up, scooch it over. We're gonna give that a chance to dry. We're gonna take our main piece here and we're gonna add our largest circle. I love this paper, it's so colorful. I love it. And we're gonna put this, do I want the waves going this way or this way? I think I want them this way. Yeah, this way. I'm gonna put this on here, making sure my lobster there is straight up and down. Just like that. And I think I want to pause here and finish the inside of my card because I need to do some die cutting. So let's get some Stampin' Seal. And we're gonna add this to our Coastal Cabana that is 5 by 3 3/4. Then we can add this to the inside of our card. And our card base is thick basic white that is 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. And I just used my bone folder to burnish that score line down. Come on. I'm gonna add this to the inside of our card. Just like that. Then we're gonna add this to our card front. And I'm gonna use liquid glue for that. I keep telling you guys, anytime you're using textured surfaces, you want to make sure you get a generous amount of glue because those raised surfaces, you know, might have a hard time sticking. Whoop. But you want to make sure you put it all the right way around. So let's put that on there like this. Okay. So we have that done. Now let's do some embossing. So I have some a piece that is 3 by 4. This is from the Berry Burst Old Olive and White Glimmer Specialty Paper. That's the name of it. That's a long name, I know. But we also have some adhesive sheet that I want to add. So I just cut a piece of adhesive sheet that is the same as our glimmer paper. And I'm going to peel a piece off. Oh, there's 2 pieces here. Let me peel that backing off. And we're going to get this lined up with that adhesive sheet. We're just going to stick that on. Then I'm going to release the other side. And this is going to make our glimmer paper be a sticker, okay? And so I have the die from the Ocean Friends dies, the little coral. And we're going to run this through our mini Stampin' and Cut and Emboss machine and die cut this out. Okay, so we have our die cut here. We're going to just take all of our pieces out here. release it from, ooh, the, what is this called? The adhesive sheet likes to make it hold on. And I did have to run it through more than once to make sure it cut all the way through all of the, because the glimmer paper is a little thick. So you want to make sure it cut through everything, and it's looking like it didn't cut through all of the adhesive sheet. However, if I just go ahead and peel it away, it cut through the glimmer paper, okay? So we're wanting to add this. Let me see. I'm wanting to add this on here. Like that. And we're going to put this on here. About right there. Yeah. I'm thinking maybe like this. Scoot. Make sure you're not hanging over the side of the edge of your card there. And we're just going to push that down. And I'm going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals, because I want to pop the next circle up. Aren't these circles cute? The way I didn't at first, I was like, I don't know about those wonky circles. But they're actually cute. It's growing on me. So let's see. I want this one to be about, don't want to cover up too much of my lobster there. But I don't want to cover up too much of that either. So I'm going to put that about right there. Then we're going to get this one and pop it up. The smallest one, we're going to pop that up. Oh, let me make sure. Which way am I doing this? I don't want to put dimensionals on dimensionals. So we're going to get a little bit of liquid glue there, so that we can have that attached like that. Then we're going to take our sentiment label and add some dimensionals to this end of that. You see, I think I only need one. It's going to go right there. Yep. And we'll put some glue for the rest. We're just going to sit this down about right there. Oh, this is cute. Then I have some bling. We have the Sunny Day Iridescent Dots. This is also a part of this suite of products. And I think I want to use the pumpkin pie. So I'm going to get my Take Your Pick tool. Do I want the pumpkin pie or the Summer Splash? I think I'll do the pumpkin pie. These things are kind of big. So keep that in mind when you're embellishing. These add a lot of height. You probably won't mail this card, or you're going to have to use extra postage. But I would suggest you just make this card one that you hand deliver. Okay? Let's put that one right here. Just like that. Why not? It's on the dimensional portion, but we're going to have to hand deliver it anyway. So that is it. Isn't that cute? Oh man, I love this. It adds a little sparkle. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.